Can you give Madison a sip? Mmm. Oh, yes. That's good.
Madison, say thank you. Thank you, Gabby.
Oh, very nice.
Thank you.
Where are you going? Crazy.
Go get him. Go get him.
Madison, go get him.
Where's he going?
Hurry up.
She's like, I don't move that fast. I gotta carry this thing on my knees.
Wow, they're having a good time. Isn't he funny? He is so funny. Chase him, Madison.